Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix No Rest for the Wicked not launching or crashing on PC. If the game won't start, crashes at launch, or closes immediately, follow these steps one by one and you should be able to fix the issue. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Locate No Rest for the Wicked, then right-click on it and select Properties. Select Installed Files, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to scan and repair the game files. Once the process is finished, try launching the game again. Solution 2. If the game still doesn't launch, go back to Steam Library. Right-click No Rest for the Wicked and select Properties. Go to Installed Files, then click Browse Local Files. Find No Rest for the Wicked.exe, then right-click it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as administrator and disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now launch the game and see if it works. Solution 3. Next, open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest available driver. Once it's done, try launching the game again. Solution 4. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the NVIDIA app. Click on the Drivers tab. Select Check for updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. After the installation is complete, launch the game again. Solution 5. For the final solution, open the link in the video description. Scroll down and look for x86, then click VC_Redist x86 to download it. Next, click VC_Redist x64 to download it as well. Locate the downloaded files. First, double-click VC_Redist x64. Accept the terms, press Yes, wait for the installation to finish, and click Close. Do not restart yet. Now double-click VC_Redist x86. Accept the terms, press Yes, and wait for it to install. Once both are installed, restart your PC. After restarting, launch No Rest for the Wicked, and the crashing or launching issue should be fixed. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix No Rest for the Wicked not launching or crashing on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.